Los Angeles, the city of dreamers, has a new address for your dreams, Matteson. Nestled on Frances Avenue Road, Matteson offers a haven of shared apartments, all catered for a lavish and comfortable lifestyle. Imagine sleeping in a comfy bed as the sun goes down and waking up with LA sunshine on your face in a bedroom furnished with a study desk and chair, bedside tables, ample storage, and a wardrobe. The fully equipped shared kitchen transforms cooking into the highlight of your day, and the bathroom, complete with a tub, is perfect for unwinding after a day of lectures and hustling. Outside your bedroom doors, find a cozy living area with flat-screen TV and cushy couch and a private balcony perfect for morning coffee. And a furnished rooftop deck and a shared recreational room with high-speed Wi-Fi, regular cleaning, along with the on-site laundry is at your service. Make sure your stay is comfortable as ever. Talking about location, a 13-minute drive takes you to Antioch University. And in just 19 minutes, you're at the University of California. Matteson is surrounded by quaint coffee shops, delicious restaurants, and every convenience, so you won't have to go far to find something fun. Head south to W. Washington Boulevard to grab a slice and a beer at Pitfire Artisan Pizza, or a cappuccino at The Boy and the Bear. 2 bus stops await you at the corner to explore the Los Angeles blues. So what are you waiting for? Grab your spot today at amberstudent.com.